Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Welcome to all my fans on TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Union 1. I'm joined by Thabo Maputla.
Tivos. Pambileng yo.
Yes.
Pambileng yo.
Yeah.
Pambileng isemoye. Pambileng yo. Pambileng yo. Pambileng yo. Pambileng isemoye. Pambileng yo. Pambileng yo. Pambileng yo. Pambileng isemoye. Pambileng yo. Pambileng yo.
Ke sama ke tlo fitla mola le shapa number ke kene.
Koshe nkgopotsa Rulane fete.
Eish.
Koshe?
Yeah.
Koshe nkgopotsa Rulane.
Mmisa da man.
Ya man fete ke mmisa.
Wow.
Especially when I game jo tshwaletse.
Yeah.
Rulane ke mmisa fete.
Eish.
Why mara ba etse black child song fete.
Aba mo khabatile man.
Mara it's fine. A re motho hele ke di past. Life e tswela pele. He re ka dula mo Rulane. Re tlo di stepe.
Batsa ka boya mas. Ba sa mbuise.
Mazalo mongwe ona o tlhoetsho mo la Sundowns ba re ke flaming ba re ya ka sebeno. Let's a re mo game ya today.
Eish. Maka filming baby.
Pele ba tlile ya Mathibos.
Today's game.
Pele ba tlile ya Mathibos.
Go ne da go pele.
Tibos.
London abu.
Mara all thanks to Shalile le pressure ke ne le yona mfiti.
Yes.
Phela nne ke mo rathile off da man.
Peter.
Yeah. Ne ke mo rathile off. Ke ra sa le striker wa ba sa mo vice. Because of how ke a check mfiti the game you know tse di fitile morao Shalile was not doing well.
Yeah.
Ona sa go rona sa create na sa etse next.
Ave.
Ona no kena fela just because of Ogara first 11 as Sundowns. But na sa etse next. O tsana lo mo sho o mon akaba to mitsa ka lina.
Mang.
O teng na mo la Sundowns. Le na etse next.
Mang.
Ne le. I never mentioned anyone.
No ke mang o.
Lina la motho ke gomole tura Tivos.
Ke mang o sa Spanish?
Na
Ke sel from house.
Stibo, ke sales. Mapota o sa o bua. Ke sales. A be sales Stibo. O fita le passenger liability ya auto insurance.
Yeah.
Hey, passenger liability insurance. Ya auto insurance is 10 million.
Yes.
Mutolo omrele ka 60 million.
It's too much Maputla.
mara aba botsa modaba tsa bentsa rena go nta ba sa le ba tsa thoma dira so okay ana stress tiwa sa tsena mo gaming rena re win ne re go number 2
Yeah.
ha re bolele ka engwe sha ka osana
Parents ya wina.
they must not come for me ne
Yes.
a ke lone le bona the possibility of Pirates not qualifying to the next round.
Yes.
It's like it is there.
It's there. It's there.
Kausane Pirates. It must win.
Straight win.
If I win, banal problem.
Balime.
Because of last game by Cairo, Egypt. And not worry, go repita wait I mean Pirates is kaba winner.
Anything.
If you have a battle reverie or ba shapa ka matso. You understand? It's all. Face reality because of North Africans, West Africans, about sharper nama South Africans. So the Pirates who ring ibe sharp kausan. It's a Milo collector maximum point from Timela Algeria, then it's safe. High cost collector maximum points. Ele qualify.
It's child.
Because of you're not Timela Algeria. Last game you were parallel Musatano last study Abidjan wara. Why won? You win. You win. So and a winner is over Tibos. How no e ka tla gutla from mo. So a re sheng gore Pirates ka sa. Na bona a ke menyele Pirates. when coming to CAF games, ha ke minyele.
Yeah.
Ke minyela ko local games ko league go Betway ko.
Fair.
Ka bana ko Betway a mo ke a minyela. Be ke minyeditse against Cape Town City.
Ya shapi.
Ya shapiwa one. Ana mushini monata man.
Hey, spanne.
O rile ba le banyana a re tjwa.
Banyana.
Oh sorry.
Basadi ba step.
Basadi
Ba step.
Bua ka dikhosi.
Basadi ba step.
Banyana chiefs banna. Ke basadi ra menze.
Ha ke tsebe ke tamane boletse.
A ke bone ke basadi ba step. Le banyana ke bona ba sweet.
Mara what I like ne. Ha Chiefs ka win. Hey, le fase le ba monate.
Yeah.
Phela o tla Mr. Chiefs win mo lefatsheng. Ka hore ha ba se winning fetwe e shotsa ke sona ba bala so. Mara ha ba ka win. Ba shetse ba batla go bontsha bang I will show them their mother.
They want
Azumuka bua so. A re le ba ka win 8-1 rena ra jwa 2-0. We meet tomorrow. We can show them their mother.
Yeah.
A bua so motho.
O tse o tlo bontsha Pirates bo mma ba bona.
Mara mfetho all I'm wishing for mfetho go re ka go sana Pirates.
Yes.
They collected 3 points.
Yeah.
So that it qualifies to the next round. Le rena ha re fitla ka mo collect re to the quarter finals ka mo. Because of we are sick and tired ka dominance ya team tsa North Africans.
Yeah.
And on top of that, ba re bapadisa fetho. Ba re football engwe e botlhoko man. Gore you will feel it. O dutse fatshe go so feng gore mara those people mara why ba bapala football so. I don't blame Modau or Rasha Pedamane ka face.
Oh.
I can blame.
Yeah.
For that red card Modau, I can blame because of ono bona lo ena ring that one isale a football. E batla wrestling.
Boxing.
Yeah, go batla boxing. So rena ha re ba fitla ka Mzansi, we give them 5-star hotel treatment. Bona go ba re etsang fetho.
If it's not lasers, they are kicking us during the period of play. They sleep down. They waste time unnecessarily.
Just like today. Bona auto break ya first half. Hassan Dance e thoma again momentum all ring ya attack. Ba auto break. We le bona ka auto break I took before half time.
Never.
Ha bo boela half time they were sure ba win. Ba ntse one auto break. Kantinga it is not over.
Until the
that game was threatening Peter Shalulile mo.
Yes.
Ha fitla Peter Shalulile na a rescue am fetch.
Yeah, it
ke moshe. O tonga bana ba ka ba batlisa ka.
He's no longer using a matchstick now. He's using gun light.
Maratibos a ona stress. Kausane. Allah ngire bona jo. Ya jo.
No Allah.
Stade Abidjan is leading 1-0. And in half time. What I like about Sundowns in 20 today. In Zorban ba remove the status mo WhatsApp. Le go Facebook. A ka ba tlo bitsa ka maina. Ba ile ba re Sundowns is out of CAF because of Iluzich. Peter Shalulile a fitla molla tsa di status still a di phumula.
Yeah.
Ba di phumutse no. Di status tse ba di beile ba re no Sundowns Iluzich. He Khathoso ke plumber.
Vele.
A plumber o teng o sale ba re wa pia stofosela of London o tlo slide daga.
Nabi.
Mo ko wena Thibos.
Nazradin.
Mo ko wena bana mo ko wena. Nna go tsa re London o tsela stove ga re sama. O ka nabi. Next o sa nabi he. If you want to mpotsa vela.
Ah, le bua ka nabi da. No bua ka le khosi London.
Mara I'm disappointed ka grant ke kana fet.
Why?
Motho o jiga ka wena. Wa mo dumella.
Top flight.
Why o summarize here then e be foul re thome fatshe.
Professional foul.
Simple. Take one for the team. I'm disappointed ka ntwa yetsa. Phela ba tlo wa tsa re ba etsa. Batho mo o re batle ba re Williams a isa le keeper. Because of batho ba la sona ntwa ba etsang ko morago. So from now on, a tswele pele ka khoza. A shake ka. Re bapala football. Because of ntwela yetsa etse mola. If it wasn't Peter Shalulile last minute tsonetse, o tšho gore nna be re under pressure. No re bapala AS fa under pressure mo.
Ve.
And we lose in next because of team ya no re sia ka di goal.
Yeah, ve.
Wa bona re jo. So aba etsa ntwe e right e re ba tswa re if I do this team ya ka e thola di good results. So anyway Kausane Arens good.
Ore mara gona le chance ore Pirates.
I'm still saying this. If Mamela Kere they must not come for me. If Pirates I collect maximum points tomorrow, I go in for draw or for losing, the chances to qualify.
Asleep.
Yeah.
This slim. The reason being, last game they are playing against Al Ahly, go Cairo. It was better if never pala Al Ahly. Because of the treatment table fanyona koda. We
have my prime time.
Steve, at the moment, like Mapoto Shield at the first half, Ali is losing 1-0.
Yeah.
So if the game is ended like this, so Paris tomorrow, if you say we win, we have got 11 points. And then we go to Al Ahly. Al Ahly, if they beat us there, it's 10 points. So it's Al Ahly number 2. So tomorrow is do or die for Paris. We're going to win for tomorrow.
Yeah.
We don't want Al Ahly to do us a favor or anyone. Tomorrow we must do ourselves. So not today I'm very happy because sometimes we need to worry. I know on the 19th, it's going to be free entry at Loftus. I'm glad because it's free. They can say come with the yellow. I'll go with the black and white on the Paris. I'm going to be free.
Yeah.
Enter free just You know them? Because they don't have a fan. Even Makazi is got a fan more than Sundown.
Yeah?
Makazi fill up a Petamukave Stadium. Castagna Vest fill up what stadium? So Sundown, when they want to fill up a stadium, it's a free entrance. So next week on the 19th, we're going there. Yeah, it's true.
Here's the point. Here's the point. Rena, we're not going there to fill up the stadium. We're going for results.
And we collect the trophy.
Fair.
That's our motto.
That's why
we don't fill the stadiums. We collect the 3 points.
That's why
we collect the trophy.
That's why your players, one of our big players, just number 4 at Sundown. You know who's just number 4? Yes. He said, I wish it my club. I can play in the full stadium, packed stadium.
He was talking about Bafana Bafana.
No, on team levels. On the team levels. On the team's levels.
No.
Guys, but Makazan Peter one moment.
No, in the history. No,
Free entrance. I was there. Free
doesn't matter, it's free. We're talking about filling up the stadium.
Come tomorrow.
When it's free, it's not free, but we have.
Okay, come tomorrow on the stadium.
Yeah.
Come tomorrow on the stadium.
I'm coming to support my fellow South Africans.
It's not a free entry. Stadium will be packed
because
tomorrow.
As a Sundowns fan, I'll be there.
But tomorrow will be packed.
Yes.
No.
But it's not free.
Some of our,
but it's not free. But it's not free.
Yeah, it's not free.
Yeah, but why you?
I'm a Sundowns
support. Hey, well, come on.
I'm a Sundowns support.
I'm happy for that because of Montepo will not reach 57. Araleva 57 numbers here. Hey. I'm 100% happy.
Next week is free.
No, it's fine.
Next week, 19 is free. I will be there.
Okay. I want to stress.
As long as
Rabba invite a food. How about that? Not stress. Or South Africa in Neso. Together. There's one Nagos and Gomez. Ako mean, go fever pair, go support a pirate or you win because of Gobel like I'm sick and tired. Understand? The guy better black, skip us black. Mara, Bonabaska war. I want. You are not at a stadium or free fella. I want to stress Papa no root to the
yes, but Basola owner.
Okay,
Papa no Arno Banabaka, a young lodger today, the Scapata. Or is a student thing, go space, Rafitara.
Man of the match.
Man of the match today. I will know I born. I have a little ruler. Ruler got a more ice back. Ball. Ice back. Mr. Line. Remove a man of the match because of what a bolo height rate. I got to see two. That's it.
3 touches, Bella.
3 touches. Yeah. Is it possible of a man of the match? I did 3 touches.
Move fair.
Man of the match, man. Make him Maratilla off. Mara his back.
Sha.
No, Ralewu. Hello, kill life is you.
Thank you.
No, RFA.
Yes.